Ooh, when you leave church and you're hungry. When you leave church and you're hungry. Ooh, church was good. Bishop know he was cutting up today. He was cutting up. Church was so good. Y'all go and y'all watch a couple of them videos. But he was stomping on somebody's head today. Might have just been mine, I don't know. But he was telling the truth. Whew, Lord Jesus. Church was good, y'all. Happy Sunday. Y'all enjoy y'all day. The rest of this beautiful day.
No, look.
Y'all can't forget the orange. Orange high C, boy.
Bye.
How to handle the spirit of rejection.